Hi there and welcome to this video. Today, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step tutorial on ActiveCampaign for beginners. Getting started is easy, and if you want to follow along, just click the link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or log into your account quickly. First things first, let's get you set up with ActiveCampaign. Head over to their website and click on the Start Your Free Trial button. ActiveCampaign offers a 14-day free trial, which is a great way to explore all the features without any commitment. Once you've signed up, you'll be prompted to set up your account. Enter your details, choose a password, and you're in. Now that we're inside ActiveCampaign, let's take a quick tour of the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation menu. This is where you can access your contacts, campaigns, automations, and reports. At the top right, you'll find the search bar and account settings. The dashboard is designed to give you a quick overview of your account, showing your recent activity and any upcoming tasks. Let's move on to creating your first email campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab in the main menu, and then hit Create a New Campaign. You'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign you want to create. For beginners, we recommend starting with a standard email campaign, which allows you to send a one-time email to your contacts. Give your campaign a name, select Standard as the type, and click Next. You'll then choose your list of subscribers. After selecting your list, it's time to design your email. ActiveCampaign offers a drag-and-drop email designer, which makes it super easy to customize your email exactly how you want it. In the email designer, you'll see various elements you can add to your email, such as text blocks, images, buttons, and more. Simply drag and drop these elements onto your email template. You can customize each element by clicking on it and adjusting the settings on the right-hand side. Don't forget to include a catchy subject line and preview text to grab your subscribers' attention. One of the most powerful features of ActiveCampaign is its automation capabilities. To set up an automation, go to the Automations tab in the main menu and click Create a New Automation. You'll be given the option to start from scratch or use one of ActiveCampaign's pre-built automation templates. For this tutorial, let's create a simple welcome email automation. Choose Start from Scratch, then click Start. You'll need to set a trigger for your automation. Let's choose Subscribes to a List and select the list you want to use. Click Add Start, and now you can start building your automation workflow. With your trigger set, it's time to add actions to your automation. Click the plus button to add your first action. Let's choose Send an Email. Once your email is added, you can continue building your automation by adding more actions. Finally, let's talk about tracking your results. ActiveCampaign provides detailed reports on your email campaigns and automations. To access your reports, click on the Reports tab in the main menu. Here, you can see metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates, which help you understand how your emails are performing and what you can improve. I'm also offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generated $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.